Efia wo ya juntini baako ewo my Ghana emu na ne nkomo twetwe bia o mene no wedi ye wo kire mu ese ne nwom odi aba foforo ya wote ne din se reda wa kire mu ekwan kra fa so a eni so di AI ka ho ma visuals no ka behwe.
Very exciting. So once I abanti so you're tapping into it. I think it's exciting to, go according to the times. We're in a very AI kind of situation. It means I'm not me checking it out. But then boys in the media, like it was so amazing, so good. It's so good. Yeah, indigo for any juma into your boys be from Hard Drive Boys. And then I don't know the exact name, but I will find out. But if you go to my IG, Obia, or tag, Nini Bibia.
Today inspire was okay, with this song, oh baby Bisa.
Say Bibia, that is, we're always striving to hit the next target. So we just wanted to challenge ourselves a bit with something different. And I'm so excited and happy that it came out amazing.
Radar,
Ekoye, Mama. Thank you, Papa. But yeah, we're really excited about how the reception has been great. So, we're looking forward to getting maybe like a live version out and then, we just start performing it.